Hey there guys, it's been a wetter than usual spring over here in South Korea, but today is a beautiful day, blue skies. So I have my little DJI Neo drone, and today I'm going to demonstrate one of my favorite features on it, which is a spotlight feature. And what it essentially does is that it's not really moving, it's just tracking you, so it's just kind of pivoting, something like a surveillance camera. So it's great that if you don't have anyone to video you, this can act as a great substitute. So to demonstrate this, I'm at the courts and I got my ball. Now it's been a hot second since I shot the ball around, but I thought to demonstrate the spotlight feature, I would put up 10 shots and see how many of these 10 shots I can get. How many do you think you can get? I'm hoping I can get at least 5, but it is a little breezy and extra sunny. I don't have my sunglasses, so I don't hit 5. I can always blame it on that. Whew, pitter patter, let's get at her. Well, that was more embarrassing than interesting because I think I only hit 1 for 9. Oh my goodness. Anyway, purpose of this video was not to see my lack of shooting ability, but to see rather how well the spotlight feature works with DJI Neo. And I think it worked okay. I was just watching it over my phone, and yeah, the only thing in the future, I should have put my Neo back a little further back from the court just to give a wider field of view. So then when I go to get the ball or something, I don't go out of frame. I think there was one shot there that when I was shooting, you couldn't actually see the ball going in because I was just out of view. So next time, just instead of starting the drone here, just put it further back from the area that I'll be shooting in. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing more videos with the Neo over here in Korea. It's springtime now, summer's coming, so I'll be doing lots of hiking. So if you want to see more shots or videos with the Neo, or just see what it's like here in South Korea, like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing more videos like this. So have a good one, guys. See ya.